Hi guys, just a quick video. For the people that doesn't know, with a Synch Super Monkey, under your screen you've got a USB port. And if I, with my quad lock here, attach my phone, oh hang on, turn the bike on. And attach my phone power cable. Oh, for God's sake, what haven't I done? Push an old M, don't I? There you go. And it charges my phone. How cool is that? Have a great day. Ta-da! 297 miles. Completed! Have a great day. Oh, by the way, push and hold the plus symbol. And your lights come on. There you go. Have a great day. Forgetting something, ain't I? Peace.